I'm Lieutenant Compton with Roanoke Fire-EMS. I'm here to talk to you about the importance of having highly visible numbers on your house. When you call 911, firefighters and first responders do everything they can to get to your house as quickly as possible. If we can't clearly see your house number from the street, it can delay help getting to you in an emergency. Different environments, including hidden driveways, dark numbers that are not reflective at night, and numbers that are not visible from the street can all cost precious time when responding to someone in need. Here's what you can do to help. Make sure numbers are large enough to see from the road and easy to read. Use a color that can be seen in the dark. Contrasting or reflective numbers can help. Keep them well lit and free from obstructions. Leaves, snow, plants, dirt, etc. Relay identifying information to the dispatchers when you call in. Telling them what color the car is in the driveway, specific instructions to a hidden driveway, or even turning on a porch light can be helpful. While supplies last, Roanoke Fire-EMS is providing reflective, adhesive house numbers that you can obtain by calling the number 540-853-5785. As first responders, we need to get to your house as quickly as possible. Having legible house numbers on your house is very important, so go check your house numbers today. Together we can knock down the risk.